I got bullied a lot.
High school senior Tamiyashi is not alone. Hundreds of children with mental health needs are often misunderstood by teachers and caregivers. However, in order to properly respond to the needs of students, schools must be staffed with sufficient mental health counselors that can detect behavioral issues before it's too late.
Before I was diagnosed, I was failing all my classes. I got suspended. No one really understood.
According to a recent survey by the Well Florida Council, 29% of school-age children live in poverty and over 8% are uninsured, reducing their access to proper health care services, including attention from a mental health counselor. Crisis intervention specialist Dr. Joe Munson says caring and compassionate counselors are key to a child's success in school.
We find that whenever we can address the situation as soon as possible, we get a better result. People really need immediate attention when they're going through something, whether it's depression or anxiety or school bullying or any type of trauma response.
Last month, the Florida Senate passed the Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School Public Safety Act. This bill will give schools throughout the state $400 million to provide for student safety needs. $69 million of those funds have been allocated for increased mental health programs and funding for more mental health counselors in the schools. Although Jackie Johnson, Director of Communications for the Alachua County School Board, says that all public schools in the county currently have counselors, these employees are often distracted by their other responsibilities.
But unfortunately, we have counselors who have to spend a lot of time on doing other things that really aren't mental health services, things like testing.
Munson says he believes that if successful, the increase in mental health programs will translate into higher graduation rates. Since the bill was just recently passed, the school board says they are still waiting on implementing language from the Florida Department of Education to determine how exactly the funds will be spent and are hoping they will be enough to cover the current need. However, school board members are already working with local mental health organizations in anticipation of expanding services in county schools.